So this little larva here has been eating right here. I'm touching where the part is where he's been boring through the wood. I just wanted to get a video close-up of him for future reference. Here is our log so far. Nalini hard at work in the shade, peeling off bark with a putty knife and a hammer. We also have a chisel that we're using and hammer. It's a slow method, but it's kind of tranquil, therapeutic, exactly. And Dad just missed that, but he used the Kubota tractor to lift up these logs and put them onto these skids of wood that we threw down here. So with the big chisel, this brick cutting chisel, it worked pretty fast. It went all the way through there. So, sizable piece at a time. But if we had better tools, we could easily do this much faster. But again, this is kind of a meditation. So day one of our debarking is done. We got most of the logs pretty much debarked. Got a few more on the bottom we haven't touched yet, but we worked hard. It's 4 o'clock now. We started at, what time did we start? Noon? Yeah. So 4 hours of work by hand. We'll check in tomorrow. Nalini is hard at work debarking the last remaining few of our logs. This is log number 10 she's working on here. 10 out of 14 total. And the rest of these are debarked. Hammer and chisel may not be the most efficient way, but it was satisfying. And now we got a nice sitting area underneath the shade tree. This is just a putty knife that Nalini's using, but it's very surprisingly effective.
It's not the right bark for an example, but
yeah, it's tough around those knots. But you can get in there. There you go. Good afternoon. We are stripping off the last of the bark today. We got 14 logs total. And numbered each of them. I think Nalini's working on log number 8 right now, which we just flipped over with the tractor. After we finish debarking, we'll lift it up and plop it down right there, and then pull it and lift it up onto these skids. That's the plan. Hey. So this is it. I think this is the last of the bark.
Oh, there's still some in there.
Oh, is there? Okay. Well, almost last of the bark. Look at what we have done.